She wants basically the ex-boyfriend to be the father. She does tend to swap and change a little bit, not to the point of who the actual father could be, but more to how she feels.
She's so sure the ex-boyfriend is the dad that she's told him.
He's alright though, she's a bit shocked to didn't really expect for me to like get pregnant, but he's lovely, so it's all okay.